Today I will give you some example of practicing English. As you know that every day I would like to say you something which is important for beginner and who is practicing every day but they are not getting result. So this video will be beneficial for you if you would like to learn something new and if you would like to take some suggestion from me, that you must watch this video till the end. And whenever you watch any video till the end, definitely you will get some profit which is important for you. So this is the video for you that who doesn't know how to speak English perfectly. They have so much knowledge of speaking that they want to improve their English speaking, but it is not possible for them that which step they should do that it will be beneficial for them. And I don't want to delay that. I would like to say you, and you just understand. If you practice every day, definitely you will get good result. And as I will tell you that you should not focus on grammar very much. You just say in English everything. You just think in English, and you should not try to say this matter to anyone that you will not get partner to speak English, because you should think that if you want to be fluent, that you should be partner yourself. And you should not blame to others that I am not able to make communication, and I don't have such environment that I can speak English. So you should not tell this matter to other, because environment you'll have to make yourself. You just speak in English at your home. You just think in English whatever you do, and you should also watch some video, and you should learn something that what is the source they are getting, and they are speaking English fluently to everyone. So you will get same method that everyone would like to speak English, but everyone can't do this thing, because everyone doesn't have patience to do this thing. So you just think that if you want to get result soon, that definitely it will never be possible for you. Maybe sometime it will be possible for you, but if you are beginner, that I think that it will not possible for you. So you just think that what you should do, that it will be beneficial for you. So my suggestion is that you just practice. If you watch English video, you are listening English song, and you also watch podcast, it is also beneficial for you. But I think that much beneficial for you if you try to speak in English whatever you listen, that you should speak yourself, that you are able to speak English or not. You will notice every day, and you should not forget your consistency. Every learner has such problem that they don't have such thing that they can be consistency in their work. So this is the huge point, that you must listen this thing, that consistency is required. And you should not think about your mistakes. Mistakes can make you perfect, and if you want to be perfect, definitely you should do such thing. You should think that this is not my mistakes, I am just trying, and it will remove itself. You just enjoy this language. You should not think that this is not rocket science, that you can't do this thing. You can do very easily. If you think that I have to do this thing, definitely you can do this. So this is the suggestion, and you should take this suggestion very perfectly. And this video only I would like to make you, that you understand that if someone can speak English, definitely you can also speak English with anyone. and without taking hesitation you just say everything whatever you want to say. You just think English is as a English. You should not think that this is subject, this is only language, and whatever you want to say you just think in English and speak in English. You don't try to translation that method, that whatever you want to say after translating you are speaking English, it means that you are also getting some mistakes. You should remove this thing. Just think in English and whatever you want to say just speak. And you should not think about your long sentences. If sometime you don't know that how to speak English, that you just take small sentences in everywhere and you just say in English, and you will notice yourself that within few months you will learn many things. So this is the suggestion, and you just understand